Hi everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to solve this equation. So can you solve it? So now I'm going to solve it for you. So let's watching this video until the end. You can learn how to solve this equation. So we got 3 to the power of x raised to square here, and then we got 9 could be written as 3 square. So that would be 3 to the power of 2x equal to 81, which is equal to 3 to the power of 4. And by using the formula, we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m minus n. And then we will get 3 to the power of x square minus 2x equal to 3 to the power of 4. So now we got the same base here. So we can cancel the base and we got the power x square minus 2x equal to 4. Okay, and then we got x square minus 2x and then plus 1 equal to 1 plus 4. And then here we got x minus 1 raised to square, which is equal to 5. And then square root both sides of the equation, we got x minus 1 plus and minus square root of 5. And then x equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5. Okay, so the answer is x equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5. Okay, so now I have solved these questions. I hope you understand and thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.